Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a collage in Google Photos. So to create a collage is the same for Android and iOS devices. All you need to do is open Google Photos, then click at the plus at the top and select collage. Then you need to select up to 6 photos. It's up to you. You can select less or more. So let's say I want to add these dogs and maybe these 2 flowers. So 6 is your maximum for the collage. Then click create. Okay, so at the bottom you can select different collages. Here it's up to you. You can check it and just select the best one. So okay, I want to return to this one. So right here you can move these photos. Let's say I wanna move this dog to the left. Also you can zoom it. It's up to you. You can do this with all photos. Here you can move it, rotate it. So okay, let's say I want to make this collage. After you set up it, just click save, and now we have it. And also, so right here in the Google Photos we have it, and also my backup turned on, so I already have it on my phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.